To bless this momentous occasion, let us seek the divine intervention. May we call on Ms. Marisa P. Novicio to lead us all in prayer, followed by the singing of the DepEd Region 3 hymn, and DepEd Munoz to be led by DepEd CLSU Elementary Laboratory School teachers and SELG officers.
Okay, so let us feel the presence of the Lord. Thanksgiving. Amen.
Today signifies a time of completion, a successful end to an academic era, culminating with a ceremony. It certainly does close the door on one school year and begins a new one.
Good morning and welcome to this year's Moving Up ceremony with Team Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas.
To formally open our program, may I call on the Teachers League President of DepEd CLSU Elementary Laboratory School, Ms. LVG Perclus. Please give her a round of applause.
Clap your hands.
To our dear Principal, Ma'am Jenaline B. Tangonan, to our dear teachers, parents, and these wonderful young graduates, good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Welcome to our kindergarten Moving Up Ceremony 2024. It is a joy to see everyone here today as we celebrate the achievements and growth of our amazing students or learners. As we celebrate today, let us remember that this ceremony is not just an end but a beginning. Our children are ready to take on new challenges and adventures in the next grade, and we are confident they will continue to strive. Congratulations to all of you. May your future be filled with many more successes and happy moments. Thank you for all being here to celebrate with us. Enjoy the rest of the ceremony. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was truly heartening and gave our completers a significant boost of encouragement.
Moving on to the presentation and confirmation of the kindergarten completers. DepEd CLSU Elementary Laboratory School, an institution of excellence, the home where young minds' journey begins. It is our pride to give honor to our moving out pupil candidates that excel in various fields of endeavor during the school year 2023-2024.
May we now invite Ms. Gemma G. Navarrete, Kindergarten Chairman, for the presentation of kindergarten completers to officially confer our candidates for completion. May we also invite our hardworking and ever-competent principal, Dr. Jeneline B. Tangonan. A big hand, please.
Big hand. Clap your hands.
Good morning, everyone. Madam Principal, I have the honor to present to you 66 completers for the school year 2023-2024, composed of 29 boys, please stand, and 37 girls,
Stand up.
stand, who has satisfactorily completed the kindergarten requirements.
Nakatayo na ba?
Stand up.
Hindi makita. Nakatayo na ba? Itaas na ang kamay ng mga fingers. Ay, nakatayo na lang. Okay. By the power vested upon me, by the Department of Education, as the school principal of DepEd CLSU Elementary Laboratory School, and as presented by the class advisors, that these candidates for moving up have satisfactorily completed or complied with the requirements of the Enhanced Basic Education Curriculum for Kindergarten as prescribed by the Department of Education. I now confirm you completers of school year 2023-2024. Congratulations! Palakpakan na lahat! Leaders!
Yay! Say yay!
Welcome to grade 1, SSES. Sino nakapasa dito ng SSES? Sino?
Raise your hand.
Okay, ang dami pala. Palakpakan nga lahat! Congratulations, dear graduates or completers.
Thank you so much, Mom, and once again, congratulations, kindergartens. Mom, please remain on stage.
Completers, please accept your diploma and special awards. At this point, may request our principal to do the honor in distributing the certificates of completion and special awards together with their advisors. Parents or guardians, please accompany your child.
The certificates prove that the Moving Up Batch 2023-2024 has successfully completed the kindergarten requirements prescribed by the Department of Education.
We also have different performance and character traits awards given to the kindergarten learners to affirm their positive traits and attitude and to recognize their significant improvement in their behavior. Let's call first the kindergarten green awardees under Ma'am Gemma G. Navarrete.
Anong gagawin?
Apostol